Quick look at what an electrician earns in Maldives. On average, an electrician in Maldives earns around 8,100 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax, it drops to $7,300. This leaves you with an approximate monthly take-home pay of about $608. Electrician salary in Maldives is usually higher in big towns, so in Malé, you can bring home $8,600 after tax. Even though electrician wages outside Malé are lower, living costs are lower too, which helps balance things out. Starting out, an entry-level electrician income sits well below this average, but pay goes up quickly as you gain skills. While progress can slow down later, getting a university degree helps you move past that ceiling. That is why having more education makes it easier to step into higher roles, like electrical inspector or project manager. On top of that, big international companies pay substantially more than small local firms because they have larger budgets. So how much does an electrician make in Maldives depends heavily on where you work and how experienced you are, but the average electrician pay stays steady across the country.